Convenient location, extremely humorous and friendly staff who helped my friend out when she injured herself. Overall, a very fun place and great experience with a good variety of options to play. Thank you. Highly recommended, easy booking and redemption from Klook. My friends and I enjoyed this activity so much. Definitely an activity to bring friend and family new to Singapore too. Even locals like myself enjoyed it too. Can't wait to try more activities within Klook. There's savings through Klook too. We visited with a group that included children in the 3rd, 4th and 8th grades of elementary school. There were areas for athletics, bouldering, cave exploration, and a ninja course, like Sasuke, and the staff guided us through each area in order. The first bouldering had various types with different degrees of difficulty, so every child seemed to be enjoying themselves finding something that suited them. Cave exploration is just going through a narrow and dim tunnel. Honestly, maybe I didn't have to do it. Athletics starts from the 4th floor area of the building, so there is a considerable height. Even adults were hesitant to take the first step, but as they gradually got used to it, the feeling of liberation was amazing and it was a thrilling experience. Rope athletics with a harness was only one experience. The children were very addicted to the warp wall of the ninja course and tried many times. Before I knew it, the 3.5 hours had passed in the blink of an eye, and the adults and children were drenched in sweat. I was crazy and playing around. There was a water station in the facility, but I didn't see any vending machines, so it is recommended to bring plenty of drinks. The staff is watching carefully, so I think that safety is also solid. Unless you're not good at high places, I think it's a place where you can enjoy yourself regardless of the weather. Best indoor theme park. It was our first visit there and have loads of fun and thrill exploring all the installation in Adventure HQ. The all-access pass was definitely the right choice and it allows you to enjoy all the installation. Adventure HQ offers outdoor gear, climbing wall, high ropes courses, and friendly staff. A great place for adventure seekers. My children enjoyed it very much. Strongly recommended to older kids. Exciting, thrilled and challenging, especially the climbing walls. Very safe. A special credit to Farah who gave us clear and lively safety briefing at start. Do note that the roll glider was under maintenance until further notice. Adventure HQ was a fun experience to spend the afternoon at. Worth a try. Tons of sweating, so make sure you are dressed for workout. Difficulty level just nice for adults, and kids up for adventures would love it too. Went on a weekday afternoon so there was no crowd, had enough time to go through all the obstacles at a comfortable pace. Redemption is convenient and fun, but it's 12 minutes, and it's so hot, everyone is sweaty. Easy and smooth experience to get from Klook. Definitely will consider getting from her again. Official website need to input more data, which is more troublesome. Very fun experience and will highly recommend. Staffs are also very nice and friendly. Because it was the off-season, there weren't many people, so we were the only team. The facilities are large and comfortable, and the teachers are kind and helpful. The experience was fun and enjoyable despite some installations being under maintenance. The specialists are nice, funny, and approachable. They give tips on how to finish each installation quickly and safely. We'll be back again soon. Hopefully, the other installations are already available. The booking and checking in was easy. My kids super enjoyed climbing all the walls and doing the high element obstacles. The staff there were very clear with their instructions. It's great to be doing this indoors to avoid the sun and rain. Great experience and definitely will recommend it to everyone. Nice place for kids to have physical exercise. Awesome place to revisit. Try not to do in the afternoon as the place can get hot and stuffy. We did it at night and there were lesser people, so the wait times was fast. Fun if you love to do high elements. Kids were braver than the adults. Just need to bring lots of water as the place is not air conditioned.